Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2019 SkyJack SJIII3219. This unit is in good running, working condition. This unit will end in 9918 serial number. There's 343 hours on it, non-marking tires. Does have a brand new MC control box with it. Batteries, I think we're putting this in 2024. I have that for you. Onboard charging system, that's where we're going to start because we do have it plugged in here so you can see that the charger works. We always do go through and show people everything here on something, so that's why we take this time to illustrate that. Plugged in, you can see that it's charging. It has no error codes coming up with the data queue charger. We'll go ahead and get this out of our road. We're going to go ahead and open up the side control here. So it does have 4 Trojan batteries in it. They were put in, I do believe this was in April of 24. So batteries are just right at 2 years old there. They charge well, hold a good charge. Everything there works the way they're supposed to. Coming over here to the other side, we'll open this up. This is a motor controlled unit, obviously. 343 hours. Underneath here, you can see everything here is in good shape. There's no oil leaks, anything like that. Everything works very well. Motor controlled unit again, no oil leaks of any kind. You will see here the platform deck extension works. Like I said, we just put a brand new MC control box on here, or a controller. Well, I guess I'm getting ahead of myself, aren't I, Landen? We'll do the downstairs here first. We'll show you that that works. Ground controls work. We'll head up here. And then show them up here the control box quick. Brand new SkyJack MC control box. So, and the reason the control box is new, we had a little incident on the way home. One decided to jump off and fell. So we put a brand new box on so that it was taken care of. See, your pothole protectors fell down. And then you can also see here that it puts itself in low gear and it drives the way it is supposed to when we're up in the air. All the pins and whatnot are here for on the banisters. We'll flip back over to drive. Guys, as you can see, the unit works just the way it's supposed to. Yes, there is paint spatter on it. Yes, cosmetically it's not perfect, but mechanically that's a very good little lift. If you got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.